I like Oklahoma City. I survived my first tornado siren this morning. What the fuck are you people doing? That should be on the state flag. Like, how do you not warn tourists about that shit? I tore a hamstring trying to put my pants on. Fucking monsters. I thought the Nazis were invading. Jesus Christ. Just no warning, I'm hungover. So I thought I was gonna be thrown to fucking Kansas. Sometimes when you go to a city for comedy, you're like, I could live in this city, and I could tell you I thought that until 11 a.m. this morning. Like, oh yeah, Oklahoma City's cool until you have a heart attack at 11 on a Saturday. Is it 12? I'm sorry to get your stupid fucking siren time wrong. I'm sorry, I was asleep when it happened, okay? I didn't check the time, I thought I was saving my own life. What a stupid fucking test. Can't they put like an indicator? They don't have to run the thing every... Jesus Christ. Why would you live here with that many tornadoes? Man.